Yeah, sorry, we're disconnected. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Okay, so you can see that's how that is done. You can see this concatenate function. What does it do? It to pick the first item and join it with space and join that with the second item. So you end up having something like this. So that's what you do with concatenate function. This is to join two strings together. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Join two characters together. That's what I applied here. But this time around, what I did is I had a date function and I put that date function inside the concatenate function, so that the date function gave 20 days between these two dates.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's now saying 20 days. I concatenated that result with days. That's all. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what if I have something like I want to see a few more functions. I have something like NIIT Benin. And I want to extract part of this. I want to extract part of it. Let's say I want to extract from the left. I can say equals left, the left function. I pick the text, comma. How many characters does NIT have? 4. So I'm saying that I want the best 4 characters from the left. So it's going to give me NIIT.
Can you, can, uh, can you put it there back? Let me see.
You want to see?
Yeah. Okay.
Also do a right function. Okay. So can do a right function. equals right. You pick the text, comma. How many?
5.
Thank you. I want to extract beginning. Equals trim function of that. Did you observe anything from here?
Yeah, the trim function merge them together.
Yes, it reduces space here to one space, a single space. So the trim function, it helps to trim off extra spaces, whether on the ends, at the ends, or between. Even if you have space here, it will still trim it off. As it's trimming it here. Okay. So what are the other functions we have looked at now? We have looked at concatenate. We have looked at the concatenate function. What else?
Look at now function.
We have looked at the now function. Let me list the character functions first. We looked at the left function. We looked at the right function.
Right function. That is trim function.
We've looked at the trim function. Of course, we looked at the others we can see here. We looked at the now function. We looked at the today function. We looked at the date function. We looked at date diff.
Good. Those ones are classified into under which function?
Which one?
Since the now, today, date, and future.
These ones are date functions. No?
Okay, date function.
This one, they work on dates. That's why I'm grouping them like this.
Okay. So date and time function.
Yes. Yeah. Date and time function. Actually, the general description of that is time function. Date is actually under time. But we just call them dates and time function. Date is under time. There was one other one that we looked at here. Okay, I was thinking we should do that. Okay, let's come back here. See one more. What is this one? Okay, hope you know what happened here because of the extra space that I put there.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem with that. So, Now, let's look at another function. Equals mid, the mid function. Just follow the instructions here. It's asking
Okay.
for the text. The text is 90 billion, comma, start number. Let's say I want to extract Ben, B-E-N. I'm starting from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth, count the space. And I want to extract 3 items. Okay. Y mid 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are double spaces there. That's what. Do you understand?
Yes.
There are double spaces there. So let me say 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
G50, you have to remove it from the back of the mid.
What? Okay, okay, sorry. Okay. So that gives Ben. Okay.
Okay. But can I put it on the bench? Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's see some more character functions. Okay, now let's look here. Let's say um you can say equals lower. The lower function is for changing upper to lowercase, lower of this penalty beginning to change it to small letters. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's say I also wanted to trim this. I can say equals, so there's what we call nesting of function. You can put a function inside another function. You can say equals lower of trim of NIT beginning. So you see that trims and converts to lowercase.
Put it there. Let me see so.
What? Okay.
Point on.
It trims it and it converts it to lowercase.
Okay.
In the same vein, we can convert to uppercase. Let's convert this one to uppercase. equals upper. Upper means capital letter
Okay.
of this. Okay. Okay. Then we can have equals proper of this. That will capitalize the first letter.
Okay.
All right. So
Okay.
okay. What?
No, it's not you, sir.
Okay. So we've seen upper,
Okay.
seen lower, we've seen proper. Okay. So now, finally, let's do some combination here. Now, let's say we have this. Let me copy this. And we have first name, middle name, so let's now say full name with initials here. Okay. John Samuel Doe. Do you think there's something we can do here? Equals should be a long one.
Yes.
Um, let's concatenate. Concatenate. What are we concatenating?
John.
Let's concatenate uh, left of John, one item, plus space plus left of Samuel 1. Sorry, this should be comma, not plus. Left of Samuel space concatenated with do JS do. Okay. Yeah, we can even put a dot here if you like. If you like. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's not.
Okay.
Okay.
It's clear for now, but I'll do my own
Okay. Okay.
reading later. Anything I don't understand.
Okay. Okay. No problem. All right. So is this, you see how you can mix, you can actually mix up functions. That's what I'm trying to let you see here. You can concatenate functions. You can use a number of functions together. You can use you can nest function. You can use function within function to achieve what you want. Okay, so that's the beauty of Excel, right? Okay, so please you go through all this and you do this assignments. Here, I want you to do it so that when a user is selected, it will not only display grade, it will also display the person's campus. So that's a camera or more. I want you to do that both for the VLOOKUP and for the H lookup. Okay, I was supposed to send you this data.
Yes, it must be.
Oh, sorry for that. I actually forgot. Oh, okay, I'll send it to you.
Is it
I
this
just,
evening?
you said?
Can you say this evening or tomorrow morning?
I'll try and send it this evening.
Okay.
But if you don't get it this evening, tomorrow morning, see.
Okay.
Let me see if I can just send it now. All right, so we'll continue from there.
Okay, sir.
Take
Thank
care.
you, sir.
Good night.
Yes, sir. Good night, sir.